What up, y'all? I'm headed to the airport right now. Today is a very special day. We always talk about generational wealth in the black community, how you can uplift each other, how you can make sure that you keep that wealth inside the family. Well, today, my grandmother is getting a new home because I'm buying her new home in cash, as well as her existing home. So my grandmother was trying to sell her house in Northwest Washington, D.C. It's a $1.2 million house. And I found out that she was actually about to sell that house to some white fix and flippers. And instantly I was like, Grandma, I'm Tony the closer, and there is no way in the world I can let you sell $1 million property outside of the family. That's what we need to keep in the family for generational wealth. So I'm headed right now to Washington, D.C. We close today at noon. So super excited to be able to do something that's going to impact my families. And the cool part about this is both of my kids now will be beneficiaries of the $1.2 million property, right? So get your weight up. Generational wealth. Let's go. I'll be in D.C. in a minute, Grandma. See you soon. What you mean? He already paid. He good to go.
Oh, you done paid him too?
Oh yeah, he got his check. Everybody paid. We out of here.
No,
Yeah, he walking past. He got his money. He about to go spend that money. Everybody paid, Grandma. We done closed. We good. What's up, Stan? Hey, Grandma. 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 I got you online right now.
Oh, okay.
Grandma, tell me what your grandson just did.
He just bought my house, and we just left the settlement. November the 5th, 2020. Good day. We had a good day today.
Very good. Today.
Yeah. Let me take my mask off.
Take your mask off and let them know, Grandma. Take your mask off and let them know, Grandma.
Okay. Right there. Yeah. I'm Mary B. Robinson. This is my grandson, Anthony Robinson Jr. Okay? Good day.
Good day. Hey, Grandma got a new house. I got a new house. We got generational wealth.
Right.
That's what it's about.
Oh, yeah.
All cash. Paid for.
Good. Yes. Good money.
Good money. Good money. You hear me?
Yeah. Real good money.
What we doing here?
You get ready to buy your grandmother a house, and then you're going to take her house. Isn't that nice? You keeping it in the family.
Keeping it in the family.
My nephew, Tony the closer.
How's it going?
Hey, how you doing? So you're ready though, right?
Yeah, Tony's the winner.
Hey, Grandma.
How you doing?
Good.
Yeah, good.
Good to see you.
Good.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
You excited?
Uh-huh.
Time to get you a new one, huh?
Yeah, right. Yeah.
It was good. It's all about you, Grandma. Showtime.
I was looking for the car, man. We was gonna ride.
No, I ain't bring the Lambo. I flew in.
You want to star of the show, so you're going to sit right there. So the first thing that you have is the line item 706.
He said, "Congratulations, Grandma. You are now the homeowner. you are now the homeowner, Grandma. Congrats. That's what, you just finished all this paperwork. Yeah. You excited?
Yeah, I found it.
You excited though?
She said,
You excited? Hey, Grandma, how long you had your house?
It's not.
I know. They can hurt my BF
65.
You bought your house in 1965. You done had the house since 1965. And Grandma was about to sell this house already to somebody else. And I was like, whoa, Grandma.
Right.
Like, no.
I had several people to come up.
Grandma was about to sell this to somebody else. She about to sell it to the white people or something like that. And I said, no, we can't let no white people get that, Grandma.
All white came, but one black Well, one black woman she was with her white husband, so everybody else was white that came in there. You know, they thought I was gonna give it to them, but I didn't. Then when Tony came around, I turned everything over to him.
You hear me?
And the white people had to go to hell. Okay.
I love my grandmama. You hear me? I love my grandmama. Said nope, nope, nope.
No.
No. You can forget about it.
Yeah.
You can forget about it.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, I can still
Trick
use
them.
it when I use it.
And this is my second grandson, oldest one, next to the oldest one.
Oh, you can stop it. So you know what?
Grandma, you had that house for 55 years. How much you paid for that house when you bought it, Grandma?
20,000.
You paid $20,000 for that house? My grandma paid $20,000 for the house. You said 1965? Spent $20,000 in 1965. House is worth $1.2 million. Real estate. Y'all better understand real estate. Grandma paid. You said 20,000, Grandma?
20. What was it?
$20,000. House is worth $1.2 million.
Yeah.
She's the real closer. They say you
That was a good deal then. Look what all them down in that neighborhood selling for now. All on that street and the back street and the front street and all that. Yeah.
Hey, Grandma, they said you made a great investment.
I did. Yeah.
She sure did.
Yeah. Right.
Sure did.
Yeah.
That's what it's about right here.
Right. Yeah.
And this is why it's important to keep that real estate. I know people like to rent and everything else, but Grandma had that house. She put $20,000 in that house
Right. Yeah.
back 55 years ago, and that money has appreciated to $1.2 million.
Right. And look, man, my note was $200 every month.
You paying $200 a month, Grandma,
For the mortgage
So her mortgage was $200 a month.
Yeah.
They said, "Way to go, girl, Grandma, way to go."
Right.
So, Grandma, you paying $230 for a house and now worth $1 million. Right?
Right. Yeah.
Hello. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted y'all to see what the real closer looks like. The real closer is right here, and she just got a new house today, and I'm super excited for it. Super excited for you, Grandma.
Right. Good.
All right, y'all, I just was tapping in with y'all a little bit. I'll see y'all later. Somebody said you got compound returns, Grandma.